How to handle emotional pain? Well, I have tried so many things in my life. I've tried mindfulness, breathing techniques, I've tried meditation. I tried to just let go of the emotions. But over time, it seemed that all of those things made everything worse until I learned something entirely different. These unpleasant emotions that we experience, that emotional pain is not the problem. The emotional pain is a sign that we are grieving. Yes, grief is not just for bereavement. Grief is something that we encounter every time we lose something that matters to us. And that can be anything. Here's what I've learned about grief. I take 3 steps. First, I try to make sense of those emotions. I actually name the emotions and feelings. In my courses, I introduce people, for instance, to a set of grief emotion cards. Those cards help me to identify my emotional pattern. They help me in which emotion I'm actually stuck. Because those emotions have a purpose. They're not the problem. They're a big part of the solution. They actually provide energy. The second thing I do is I name the values. As I said, we are grieving and we are losing something. And those emotions just try to highlight that something that matters to us has been under threat. And so I take time and ask myself, what am I losing here? What does matter to me in this situation? I basically give those emotions a reason to be there because those emotions are part of my protective mechanism. They want to help me. And once I name those values, I can then learn to take action according to those values. So suddenly my action is not responding anymore to the emotion itself. It is responding to the reason behind the emotion. And that action plan is something that will honor my personal values. It's an action plan that will help me to recover my personal values. I want to live into my values. I don't want to excuse myself for it. I want to really express what matters to me because I believe that when I express myself and my values into this world, then I can help making the world a better place. So here are my 3 things again. I make sense of my emotions, I name my values, and I take action according to my values. Follow to learn more.